you heard, we are coming to FABTECH 2024 this year. It's going to be amazing.
Yes, I'm really excited about that. And we will got some fantastic products to showcase, including our fiber laser machine and metal tube laser cutter, along with our high-end models.
Definitely, these machines are perfect for industrials that work with materials like stainless steel, brass, carbon steel plates, and a different shape of metal tubes. They will make a real difference for companies looking to improve efficiency and precision.
Exactly, and you know, FABTECH 2024 is a premier event for metal forming, fabricating, welding, and finishing. Over the 800,000 square feet of exhibits. It's where you can find all the latest and greatest in metalworking technology.
It's not just about the size, it's about the laser processing innovations you get to see. We are looking forward to showing everyone what Songu Laser has to offer.
Same here. Please come and visit us at booth S11151 in the Orange County Convention Center during FABTECH 2024, and we will be showing you the latest laser technology from Songu Laser.